Hello everyone, and this is our regular customer back to the factory, to the maintenance of the trailer. And his front car is a 4-seats Toyota. So this car looks brand new. Let's take a look at his trailer. He is towing a slow pop-up old version of Njstar trailer. You can see from the top here. And this is he's using a Poly 2000 Poly block hitch here. This is very typically in China standard here. And now we were testing the electric system. So here for this camper here. So it has a logo, Discovery, and he's using our default water heater. So this is the exterior, and let's take a look at his surface of this. And still there looks very shiny here, and it is very smooth. The black vinyl gum still works very good here. You can see any leak or any issues on this surface here. So this is the rear, and he has a shovel behind the off-road spare tire here. So let's take a look at this side, and he is using our upgraded awning for this 3 meter by 3 meter side-turned awning. This is his surface, looks still very good. For this kind of trailer, we're still using the independent system with twin absorbers. And here, this is the roof solar, 350 watt roof solar. The front toolbox. So here is a 5 liters diesel oil or gasoline. You can add any at a time. Alright, so this is the overview of this regular customer's trailer. And he has a very rugged Toyota in the front, and you see this is a 4-seat car. Okay, thank you for watching.